सेंट पॉल विद्यालय में 77वां गणतंत्र दिवस हर्षोल्लास से मनाया गया। बूंदी। सेंट पॉल विद्यालय में 77वां गणतंत्र दिवस बड़े हर्षोल्लास एवं गरिमामय वातावरण में मनाया गया। इस अवसर पर विद्यालय के विद्यार्थियों ने राष्ट्रभक्ति से ओतप्रोत रंगारंग प्रस्तुतियां देकर उपस्थित सभी अतिथियों का मन मोह लिया। कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ मुख्य अतिथि महारानी रोहिणी देवी द्वारा ध्वजारोहण कर किया गया। ध्वजारोहण के पश्चात विद्यार्थियों ने राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को सलामी देते हुए परेड एवं शारीरिक व्यायाम का प्रदर्शन किया। साथ ही देशभक्ति से संबंधित भाषण भी प्रस्तुत किए गए। मुख्य अतिथि ने विद्यार्थियों की प्रस्तुतियों की सराहना करते हुए उनमें राष्ट्रभक्ति एवं देशप्रेम की भावना को और अधिक सुदृढ़ करने का संदेश दिया। अंत में प्राचार्य फादर रॉबिन जॉन द्वारा मुख्य अतिथि को प्रतीक चिन्ह भेंट किया गया।
With pride and minds anchored in responsibility. प्रशंसनीय है. Appreciation to Blue House for completing the march past with dignity. The Gold House now marches forward, symbolizing excellence and determination, and the house is led by boy captain A. Varun Singh and girl captain Manya Anuwal. पीला सदन परिश्रम और सफलता का प्रतीक है. Congratulations to Gold House for their confident and elegant march. Concluding the march is the Green House, symbolizing growth and harmony. And Preeti Somani, हरा सदन
बाबा साहब की विचारधाराओं को
Sister Jasleen, our Vice Principal, distinguished guests, respected teachers, warmly welcome our esteemed chief guest, Her Highness Rani Rohini Kumari of Kapaleen Guru. Rani Rohini Kumari's convent Ashram, where her formative years instilled in her the values of discipline, compassion, and service. In 1977, she became part of illustrious royal family of Kapaleen Guru, and since that has dedicated her life selflessly to social welfare and public service. With a deep commitment to upliftment of women and society, she founded the Rani Rohini Kumari Rajput Mahila Foundation in 2018. Government and community development. In recognition of her leadership, she served as the president of Innovate. Received several awards for her outstanding contribution to social causes. Her exemplary work in women empowerment has been acknowledged by the Bundi District Collector on Women's Day. She was also felicitated by the Bundi District Administration on Republic Day for her exceptional social service initiatives. Her dedication humanitarian service extends to organizing free eye checkup and cataract surgery camps, the donation camps, and public health awareness programs. During the COVID-19 pandemic, her efforts in arranging free vaccinations for distribution marked one of our most compassionate initiatives during the lockdown permission to carry the ashes of the deceased to her heart, bringing solace to many grieving families. She has also actively contributed during natural calamities, organized relief materials, set up free drinking water birds in summers, and distributed blankets and sweaters in winter. She strongly advocates environmental responsibility and regularly conducts plantation drives with students, inspiring young minds to protect and nurture nature. She continues to work tirelessly for the educational development of rural regions. She is the proud mother of Maharao Vanshvardhan Singh Ji of Bundi and continues her inspiring journey with unwavering dedication towards the welfare of Bundi and its people. We are deeply honored by your gracious presence. Your life and service are a source of inspiration for students and staff, and your presence has truly added dignity and pride to our Republic Day celebration.
all well-wishers of this proud Republic of India. A very good morning to one and all. It
gives me immense pleasure and a deep sense of pride to extend a warm and heartfelt welcome to you all on this day of national pride, a day when we commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India and reaffirm our faith in the ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. We are honored to have you with us, and we look forward to your inspiring words that will surely motivate and guide our young minds. I also feel whose leadership and constant encouragement continue to shape the character and future of our
A very good morning to everyone present here. Today, as we proudly celebrate the Republic Day of India, we remember a historic moment when our nation gave itself a constitution and chose the path of democracy, equality and justice. Of our responsibility as citizens of India. and more importantly, as world as a global family. In our ancient Indian wisdom, this idea is beautifully expressed in the word Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which means the whole world is one family. These words are not just a philosophy, they are a way of life that India has practiced for centuries.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, सम्मानीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, उप प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, पधारे हुए महानुभाव, मेरे साथी कर्मचारीगण, वे मेरे प्यारे प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, गणतंत्र दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। सुप्रभात। आज 26 जनवरी है, वह दिन जब भारत सिर्फ आजाद नहीं हुआ बल्कि गणतंत्र बना। वह दिन जब यह तय हुआ कि इस देश में सत्ता किसी एक की नहीं, हम सब की होगी। साथियों, हमारा संविधान केवल कानूनों की किताब ही नहीं बल्कि बराबरी की आवाज है। यह न्याय की नींव है और यह भारत की आत्मा है। भारत की पहचान उसकी बौद्धिक सीमाओं से नहीं बल्कि उसकी सोच से होती है और उस सोच का सबसे बड़ा मंत्र है वसुधैव कुटुंबकम, यानी पूरा विश्व एक परिवार है। जब दुनिया मैं की बात करती है तब भारत हम की बात करता है। जब दुनिया टकराव चुनती है तब भारत संवाद चुनता है। यही भारत की असली ताकत है। लेकिन याद रखिए, अधिकार तभी सुरक्षित रहते हैं जब कर्तव्य निष्ठा से निभाए जाते हैं। देशभक्ति केवल नारे लगाने से नहीं होती। देशभक्ति है बच्चों, ईमानदारी से पढ़ना, अनुशासन में रहना और सही रास्ता चुनना। यही भविष्य का गणतंत्र होगा। अब सवाल यह नहीं कि हम भारत को कहां तक ले जाना चाहते हैं। ऐसा भारत जो विज्ञान में आगे हो, शिक्षा में श्रेष्ठ हो और संस्कारों में सबसे ऊंचा हो। आइए इस गणतंत्र दिवस पर हम सब मिलकर यह संकल्प लें कि हम वसुधैव कुटुंबकम को सिर्फ शब्दों में नहीं, अपने व्यवहार में भी उतारेंगे। एक पृथ्वी, एक परिवार, एक भविष्य लिख दिया है हमने वक्तों की दीवारों पर। संविधान हमारा अभिमान है।
Position. Second position was secured by Angel Dhagal and Siddharth Purohit. Badminton under 14 boys team, second position was Kapil Jain, Dhruvir Singh, Adhiraj Tamra. For volleyball, Shivam Chaudhary, Again, first position was secured by Tima Shringi, also won first position. First position was secured by Divya Jyoti.
Some of you sit down.
प्रमाण है. Congratulations to all achievers for making the school proud.
And all present here today. I feel deeply honored and grateful to St. Paul's School for inviting me for bestowing upon the warm and gracious honor on the occasion of our Republic Day. As I walked into the school campus today, I was filled with a sense of nostalgia. It truly took me back to my childhood days. As I completed my schooling in St. Mary's Convent, Ajmer, being in a school environment once again reminded me of the values, discipline, and guidance that shape our lives from a very young age. Thanks to the respected principal and the entire staff of St. Paul's School and for their kindness, respect and wonderful arrangements shown me today. On this proud occasion of Republic Day, I would like to encourage all students to believe in themselves, hard work and always walk on the path. Jai Hind.
माननीय मुख्य अतिथि के a mark of appreciation for gracing this occasion and inspiring us all. We thank our principal for this graceful gesture.
बताते हैं कि भारत बहुधार्मिक राष्ट्र है जहाँ सबके सिद्धांत चाहे अलग हो पर लक्ष्य ईश्वर प्राप्ति और आत्मिक शांति है जिससे हम मानते हैं
सच्चे सुर में गाना
एक सुरीली आशा लेकर सूरज नए वाला है।
विश्व प्रेम चादर देखे सुंदर सुरे गाना सिंदरवारियल पुदिय पुलियल आयमानवन तोड़िടുதே
रखते हैं हम respected chief guest, Your Highness Rani Rohini Kumari, our respected principal, vice principal, honorable dignitaries, dear parents, teachers, students, and all well-wishers of a proud republic. A very good morning to everyone. As we come to the conclusion of this memorable Republic Day celebration, it is my proud privilege to propose the vote of thanks and express our heartfelt gratitude to all those who have contributed to the success and grace of today's program. First and foremost, we express our sincere and profound gratitude to our honorable chief guest, Your Highness Rani Rohini Kumari, for sparing valuable time from your busy schedule and being with us on this auspicious occasion. Your inspiring presence and motivating message have left a lasting impression on your young minds and have truly enriched this celebration. We extend our deep sense of respect and appreciation to our respected principal, whose leadership, constant encouragement, and guidance make such meaningful celebrations possible. Unwavering support and meticulous coordination throughout the program. Our heartfelt thanks to the esteemed dignitaries who have graced the occasion and encouraged us with their presence. Your support strengthens our commitment to nurturing responsible citizens of the nation. We sincerely thank our dear parents for their trust, cooperation, and continued support. Your presence today has added warmth and pride to this celebration. A special word of appreciation goes to us tirelessly behind the scenes, planning, guiding, rehearsing, and motivating the students to ensure the smooth conduct of every program. My heartfelt appreciation to our talented students who perform with discipline, enthusiasm, and patriotism. Your speeches, songs, drills, dances, and march past truly reflected the spirit of a great nation and made today's celebration vibrant and meaningful. We also acknowledge the sincere efforts of the supporting staff, the organizing committee, and all those who contributed in various ways to make this event a grand success. To everyone present here today, thank you for your cooperation, patience, and active participation, which made this Republic Day celebration truly memorable. I conclude my vote of thanks. पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है, ना पूछो जमाने से क्या हमारी कहानी है। हमारे
तो बस इतनी है, हमारी पहचान तो बस इतनी है, हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Will be taking the attendance now. Kindly go back to your classrooms now.